Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I owe you a video. You remember the video that was entitled The Tallest Dog Fennel in the World? And you watched me harvest it. It was 10 foot 9 inches and it was 5/8 of an inch in diameter, and I was concerned that when it dried out that it might be too small to hand drill. This is all I got out of it. Very briefly, it starts off at about 3/8 and quickly goes down to 5/16 and 1/4 inch. This is all the usable spindle that I was able to get out of that thing. Let me go ahead and show you how well it works. And we're using a, I would say, well-proven Fireboard. It's Tulip Poplar, very, very hard. I would rather have a soft one, but it will produce. Do the divot and a burn in. Dogfennel on Tulip Poplar, Pine Needles Tender Bundle. Gonna get up to 105 today. It's probably in the 90s right now. And I don't like having to fill up that much notch before I have a chance of getting an ember, but it's all good practice anyways. Didn't it do a good job? Oh, I feel a little moisture on these. I just got them off the ground. Oh, that was a great place for a hole to be right there, wasn't it? I didn't even see it. Let's try to save it. I came so close to losing that one. We got it though. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I like to have this vent turned towards you so you can see what's happening down inside the stove. We'll catch you on the next one.